Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wellness with Wendy RD. So, over the past few weeks, I've done some cooking videos to show you portion size, healthy carbohydrates, healthy non starchy vegetables. But today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today, we'll be doing show and tell. So, I have in multiple videos pretty much talk about what carbohydrates are, types of carbohydrates, their benefits, but I've not really shown you exactly what sources you're getting carbohydrates from, right? So today, that is what we're going to do. But to give you a little bit back of history, remember carbohydrates is one of the three main macronutrients, which pretty much means that it's our body primary source of energy. So we need a larger amount of it, right? Also, what are carbohydrates? So we know that they're made of sugars. You have your complex carbohydrates, which is your starches, your bread, your rice, your pasta, and your simple carbohydrates, such as like your table sugar or your refined foods, your ultra processed foods as well. We also have to remember that carbohydrates provide our body with energy. And how do they do that? Well, carbohydrates are broken down by our body into glucose, and glucose is actually a type of sugar. And this is what actually goes into our cells and it gives our body energy. So it feeds the cells in our heart, our brain, pretty much every cell that our body uses carbohydrates, right? And this, or I should say, these are some source of carbohydrates. And we're going to go into a little bit more of why we need them and the benefits that they provide. Let's start off with our natural sweeteners, our fruits. We have pears, and pears is naturally rich in fiber if we eat the skin, right? Remember that fiber helps to support our digestion because the fiber in the fruits or good bacteria in our tummy needs them. So we also have to remember that these fruits contain vitamin C, potassium, which makes them great to help with building up our immune system and our heart health as well. Oranges. We all know that oranges have vitamin C, which boosts our immune system and support collagen production for a healthy skin. But did you know that oranges also provide folate, potassium, and an antioxidant like hesperidin? Yeah, and it's actually great for circulation and blood pressure. Another type of orange that I love to eat is blood orange. And the blood orange has all the benefits of a regular orange, but with a little twist. These oranges, because of their rich color, that deep red, has something called anthocyanin. Just like with our purple potato, and anthocyanin is a powerful antioxidant that helps to prevent our cells from being damaged. So making sure that we incorporate those blood orange to get those antioxidants in our body is very important. Everyone loves bananas, right? And so it's one of the most convenient source of natural energy. It's sweet, but it also rich in potassium, which support that muscle health, that heart function. It's also a good source of vitamin C as well, and soluble fiber that actually helps with our digestion. Now let's go on to our starchy vegetables. Corn. Corn, yep, is a whole grain and it's a good source of carbohydrate, right? It's high in fiber. It's actually a good source of vitamin B6 and antioxidant like lutein and zeaxanthin that actually helps to support our eye health. So making sure that we're having corn in our weekly diet is also very important, but we don't want to go overboard with eating too much corn. How about those sweet potatoes? They are a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in beta carotene, a vitamin A. They also contain fiber, and potassium. This not only helps with our skin health and vision, but it also boosts and give us energy as well. Plantains. Yup, another starchy vegetables that us Caribbean folks love to eat. They are also rich in vitamin C, the B vitamin, magnesium, and we're going to talk a little bit about resistant starch in a different video, but it also has resistant starch. And because of the fact that it is high in fiber, it can also help with our digestion and our gut health. Pumpkin. We boil it, we steam it, we add it to rice, we add it to soup, we puree it and make it in a soup by itself. But did you know that it is also packed with beta carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A? So if you notice, most of these vegetables and fruits has not only skin support, but it also helps your vision support as well. And it helps to boost that immune system. This one is also rich in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. And so we want to make sure that we are adding these types of food in our daily diet. Well, not all of them at once, but pick one or two. We're going to go a little bit off the fruits and vegetables and go to something that I really enjoy. And this is wild rice. I know we all used to the brown rice and the white rice, but wild rice, which is actually a grass seed, acts like a whole grain and it is loaded with fiber. But if you're looking at that rich color, right? Remember that antioxidant we talk about with the potatoes, the purple potatoes and the blood oranges. This also is high in antioxidant. And so having, this once or twice a month, try it, will help to, not only boost your system, but helps with regenerating and your cells. Remember, we talked about the cells in your body when we're doing those antioxidant, it helps to prevent cell damage. So adding this or even trying it will definitely help your health. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that you should have all of these foods by itself. They are carbohydrate food sources. So yes, we need to pair them with something, right? So we need to pair them with some good fats. We need to pair them with protein food sources. So say for instance, if we're having a snack, for me, if I'm having some pears, I might have it with some natural peanut butter, or I may have it with some, mozzarella or provolone cheese. If I'm having plantains in the mornings, I may have, like a half of a plantain with some scrambled eggs, and I may, have some bok choy or kalaloo with that, right? If I'm doing corn, I'm doing a half a corn, and I may do, some kalaloo or some steamed green beans with carrot. And then my protein food source could be, some curry chicken or some brown stew chicken. Or if you wanted to do grilled chicken, you can do that as well. We're not eating carbohydrates by itself. We have to make sure that we're pairing it with some lean protein, chicken, fish, turkey, or nuts, okay, which also has a good source of protein and fat. Each of these foods offer delicious natural sources of carbohydrates, and they're all packed with nutrients from vitamin C to potassium to folate to lutein that our body needs to help to function well. What are you willing to try from these foods that I actually showed you today, especially the wild rice? Especially the wild rice. It has like a nutty flavor. So I would, try some. Okay. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share for more natural nutrition tips. Again, thank you so much. And let us create a healthy relationship with your lifestyle choices. If you love this video, go back and watch the video for your gut health, which is going to be linked to this video. Have a good day.